afternoon. This is Chris Brecher with the Simpler Stocks free video weekend edition of October 24th, 2016. Right now, it's about 15 minutes after the close. I was just on a special 3-hour class for all our gold members. I just left this up because this is the biggest trade we did of the day. I'm not making this up. Go ask anybody that's on the gold room. We bought a bunch of options right there. One of the best trades that we've had that I've seen in a long time that we've done publicly like that. Really cool stuff in there. But today, just to let you know what was going on with the market, is today we had really the market biding its time. If you look on here on the futures, we had the ES is doing basically nothing down all at 1 point. NASDAQ following through from yesterday, and basically the NASDAQ, led by Microsoft, was up 2 points. Didn't hurt. There was a lot of takeover activity, a lot of stocks, including Twitter, that really pumped up the market. As you see, Twitter going crazy in here. There were a number of the other ones. So the NASDAQ outperforming started the day before with a nice pop after the close because of Microsoft, and it just stayed up. ES is, like I said, down a point. Russell down 240. Russell at an important junction. A lot of people are watching that. Yeah, the bonds up 11 today. Dow Jones Industrials down 16. SPX, look at that. Nothing. Transport's down a little. Gold down a little. Crude oil up a little. And the dollar is still having a good strength in there. This was the tip-off all day. The advanced decline refused to sell off even when the market had little blips down. And when it did have blips down, the second the ESs bounced, the advanced decline got to positive or close to it. That's how you knew it wasn't going to be a trend day. Yeah, because of the just lack of trend day, that's why you got the volatility to be down a little. Natural gas getting hit again. It's had a massive rally. Yeah, the UVXY down again. Like I've said, I hate trading the UVXY. It goes down almost all the time in here. You have the DE Dow, the German DAX represented in Thinkorswim as the DE Dow, up fractionally. The DJ China, the Chinese market, down just a bit. So where does all this put us in here? Right now, ES is still in this holding pattern. In fact, what's really interesting in here is not only do we have sort of dojis the last couple of days, but on the SPX, check out the last 4 days. This is pretty neat stuff. That's what you call indecision. Right there. Look at all that indecision in there. Unbelievable. So you really have to respect when we get a decisive follow through, which we don't have yet. So the whole idea in here is put up the ESs, and I'm going to show you 3 different indexes in here. I show all these all the time on the premium site. Look at the ESs on a 78-minute chart. Right there. This is where trading is an art, not a science. Do you draw it like that? Or do you draw it like this? I was trying to draw it like that and saying that we broke down, but you never know in this market. All I know is we're underneath it now and overbought. Last time we were underneath right here, we sold off. So I hope you know what we're talking about in here. The thing is, put this on a 195, it changes your perspective. There you go. Already well under that. And now you have this one developing. Obviously, if that breaks, then it'll break that. So still all bets are off, you can't tell. When I get like this, I look at other indexes. NASDAQ, even with it outperforming, it's still in this range also. You still can't tell. How about the Russell? That one's a little more dicey. As you see, this one has stayed down here. These lines are more horizontal. So this has to hold here. If this doesn't, it could definitely pull down the rest of the indexes. So just so you know, and we don't have this for long, we have the Simpler Stocks. We have the trial of $7 for 30 days. It includes the chat room when I'm on from 9 to 10 in the morning. Yeah, the premium video is a lot more in depth than what you hear here. Sorry about that. Email alerts, forum, and the meetup. The forum is a message board type place where we can communicate with each other, with subscribers with each other. Great communication tool. The other thing, just so you know, when members send me an email, I try to answer within an hour, which is unheard of with somebody like me that's been doing it 34 years. I love answering emails. I'm really into what I do, and I try to have a personal approach. The biggest thing I think on our site, other than the live chat, is the email alerts. We do stock trades and chart ideas. I usually post about 6 every morning. Index and futures charts. A lot of people don't even trade stocks that are subscribers because they love the index and futures charts so much. And the unusual option activity. I only show about 5 or 10 a week, and usually that's because I want ones you can act on. If I throw out 100 trades, you won't know which one to do. And I'd say our percentage of win is greater than most on Twitter. So everybody take care. I hope you have a great weekend. Hope you've enjoyed this video, and I'll talk to you on Monday.